Welcome to Live Project. Today I am going to showing amazing mockup. And this mockup source file available here. File download link in the description box. Please check the description box, and download now, from Google Drive. Step 1. Open the Photoshop software. Then click here. And here. Choose your source file. Then select File. And open now. Then you can see right side, Layer option. Click here. And here. Then click here. And here. Choose your source file. Then select File. And open now. Just click on the logo and drag and drop here. Then click here. This one close now, and save now. Then click here. And here. Then click here. Choose your source file. Then click here. And here. And close now. So far today, it is good. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.